Right, ake sikubingelele sikwamukele sawubona igama lami mina ke ngingumfanelo uPhenyi Bheshu ngingowakwaDzanibe isibongo siza kuwe ohlelweni nokho olithe ukuhluka lapho sithi khona you are not alone yana ukhumbule ukuthi ke uhlelo lolu luleya libe khona njalo uma ngabe ke kuyisonto selithe ukuthambama usuku usubuyileke wena enkonzweni usuku usukwenzile okuningi mhlambe ke usuku usulungisela ukuthi ke nokho ke uphakeke phela isidlo ke sakho usuke usiphekile abanye vele sebedlile bayirelaxele abanye bafuna ukuphuma baye endaweni la beyoncebeleka khona kodwa bezosheshe babuye kwazise ke kusasa kumsombuluko sizobe sesibheke emisebenzini ehlukahlukene ukhumbule ke ukuthi uhlelo lolu okuyilona ke esikhulumisana lapho ke sisuke sibheka khona ngokwezenhlala kahle sibheke iGBV sibheke nje ke ukuthi ke wena ungasizakala kanjani uma ngabe sithinta ke ngokomqondo ingcindezi noma nje ke mhlambe kungayini oyidingayo uma ngabe sibheka ngasohlangothini ke lwezinto ke edinga ama social worker sizokwazi ukuthi nje manje sinikeze ke umama uJabulele Maseko okuyena kuyiCEO kanjalo nefounder wayo ke inhlangano ebizwa ukuthi You Are Not Alone asibingelele mayiqeda ukusibingelela mina naye sobe sihlala phansi sibheka kulolu suku namhlanje ukuthi ngabe ubudlelwano noma ebudlelaneni kuma relationship sikwazi kangakanani ukubekezelelana sikwazi kangakanani ukuthi sikhulume ngezinto ezisidlayo noma kwesinye isikhathi abantu besilisa bayaye bathatha isinqumo sokuthi bagcine bengakhulumile ziningi ke nezinto ezigcina ke sezenzeka kanti nabo abantu besifazana bakhona abanye abayithulela abangakhulumi uthola ukuthi njengoba uhlezi la ukhona nje manje uyahlukumezeka usuhlalela ukuthi ngoba naku lalo dlile akuphumeki kuleyo relationship kodwa kahle kahle awukho kuyo kanti kwesinye isikhathi uthola ukuthi kunomuntu ohlezi nje ku relationship akezile ngoba mhlambe ingoba ibeveleze ngokuthi uyathanda kunothando cha ingoba uze lapho ngokuba nenhloso ezithile uma sekuphela ke isidingo senhloso ugcine wena usuthatha ke inqumo zokuthi uyahamba lo akhale ngemali yakhe kuningi ke uma Maseko sokwazi ukuthi sizendlale nokubekezelelana ake simnike ithuba kabingelele.
Sanibonani babukeli emakhaya ophambi kwenu uJabulele Maseko. I'm the founder and the CEO of You Are Not Alone Women and Family Center, an NPO of professionals, social workers specializing on gender-based violence and mental health. So ngiyabonga today for Tembisa Online to be here to record this session for us.
There we have it. Mama Maseko. Yeah, kunzima. Kodwa futhi kumnandi siyadingana kodwa futhi siyahlukumezana angazi mina ngingathini kushuthi senze njani sihlukane noma siqhubeke kodwa ngiyacabanga mhlambe sizoqhubeka ngoba egcineni imizi yobaba kumele yenziwe yakhiwe kodwa here we are ini relationship kanti kahle kahle masingase sixoxele nje umuntu njengoba ningi osonhlala kahle kusuke kuvunyelwana ngani lapho or senze njani simene singene ebusinessini kube ukuthi siba neagreement ukuthi okay ke ngiyangena sizokubhadala imali engaka ngizokwenza senze njani iyini relationship
I-relationship mfanele ngayibeka ngokuthi abantu baqale bashelane yeah nabashelana I mean dating but they can go
beqala ngokufunana
yes bafunana like umuntu umbone umthande then you think ukuthi hayi lo muntu ungaphilisana naye then kanti mhlambe you are in a wrong lane leyo muntu akekho lapho o uthola umuntu okungasiye lokufanele ukuthi ube naye bese icala lapha iproblem sihlale kuma relationship anganathando wrong mfanelo nowadays relationship ayisekho lenothando the way I see things zenzeka or in my experience ngithola ukuthi kunabantu abaningi abahleli ku relationship because of imali nowadays that's why we see kune gender based violence eningangaka because it's not about love anymore it's about what you have as umfanelo what are you driving imoto oyidrivayo kwaphela lokho lo sisi soyachinja uchintshela komunye umuntu that's why siba nama problems amaningi kangaka again kungena ku relationship uthola ukuthi loyo muntu wakho ungena kahle kumnandi ubaba kumnandi nisa equal ngithi like ubaba unemali nawe unemali Then whenever wena mama uba nemali eningi, that's when kuqala khona i-problem. Ubaba feel threatened, bese sobona ukuthi ngcono akuhlukumeze as a person. And as a person, you can see red flags. Now, the relationship was like this. We were buying flowers, chocolates, not anymore. Sekatshintshile umuntu wakho akasakuthandi. So yonke into uyayiquestiona. So ufuna ukucontrola. So ufuna ukukutshela ukuthi ugqoka kanjani, uhamba nabo bani, ifamily yakho akhiphe nako family. Nasakhipha ku family, akhipha kubantu abathandayo. Bona ukuthi la sekune problem la. Sekunenkinga.
Mhlambe ngaphambi kokuthi ngize kokuningi usakhuluma ngefamily amanye ama relationship amaningi akusikhona yini ukuthi siyahluleka ukuthi sibe ne calendar ne plan ukuthi mina ngifuna ama flowers every month, ngifuna ukukhishwa every month, ngifuna imali budget yami ingaka. So if awukwazi ukuba nayo ngicabanga ukuthi standard ngoba umuntu nomuntu unama goals akhe. So ngizobekezela kanjani ama goals ami ngingawa reach ngenxa ukuthi wena ngisalinde ukuthi uzipick up. Why ngingathola umuntu ozovela ngihlangabeza ngithi mangithi bese ke ngikubekezelela kanjani wena ungakhona uku-afford izinto engizidingayo.
Iyo lento engisho ukuthi there's no perfect relationship la mhlabeni. And again impilo change. It can be nice at the beginning angithi uyabona like lapho siku over the moon kumnandi nje impela, but impilo change nayi change senza kanjani. As couples we need to be able ukuthi si communicate ukuthi manje mama seyichangeile impilo yami like 2020 because of COVID-19 abantu abaningi balahlekelwe umsebenzi. That's when our government Mr. Cyril Ramaphosa declare i-GBV as a crisis in South Africa. Sibone lapho because abantu abaningi balahlekelwe umsebenzi, abo baba babuya bazohlala emakhaya ezindlini. Kwabonakala ukuthi lento le it's not about uthando, it's about what you have as a man, what you have as a woman. Then like ukuqala khona kwaba nale gender based violence eningi, imali ayisekho endlini, akusana thando. So we need to communicate ukuthi mama, yes, now we have 1 2 3. They need to learn to budget for izinto ezifana nalezi. Kuthi okay, manje kusesemnandi we do have mali. We can fly to Dubai, we can go anywhere, we can buy cars, do whatever. But remember, there are rainy days where you have to save money. Kuthi nizokwazi ukuqhubeka nge-relationship. It's not about money, it's about uthando, but the heart is no longer there. Ifile inhliziyo. Now we are talking about the matter of the heart. Inhliziyo ayisekho anymore. Izwe lethu selifile because of inhliziyo. What we see now, we look, uthando, it's about what we capture with our own eyes now, not with the heart, you know. That's why sibuka what we capture. Ukuthi udriver in, ugoge in, enyaweni, you understand amos? Because amantombazana nowadays they want iPhones, wiki. They want impilo nje, bag, expensive designer bags. So if when you don't have those, that's when intombazana you move forward. But what is into I understand good ishiyani kuwe. Leslonda eshiya kuwe, you are going to bleed. While you are bleeding, kuningi okungenzeka, but we need to avoid femicide ngendlela eziningi ukuthi nasa ubona ukuthi wena mfanele ukulimazile usisi wenza kanjani. We do have social workers so that you can talk to social workers about whatever eklimazayo. We really do understand that men are taught like nabakhulu ukuthi as umntwana omfana you don't have to cry, as umntwana omfana you are above intombazana. It's not like that anymore. Impilo ichangile. We need to live in the moment and understand that things have changed.
Sawubona, siyakubingelela igama umfanele uPhenyi Bheshu, ngingowakwaDzanibe isibongo. Uhlelo You Are Not Alone Yana sihlezi no Mrs Jabulile Maseko oyifounder ophindeke futhi abe CEO yayo iYana. Uhlelo Yana sizama ukuza kuwe ukuze uwazi ukuthi udedele lento ekuhluphayo na ukwazi ukuthi wazi ukuthi usizo luyatholakala. Njengalokhu ke sizolokhu ke sishare njalo imininingwane yabo nangasekupheleni ke kohlelo basichazela ukuthi wena ungabathinta kanjani ama services wabo amahala. Sikhuluma ke ngendaba ethinta ama relationships. Sibheke ukubekezelelana kukhona iziphi idingo nazo wena ku relationship. Most of ama relationship esikuwo noma akhona existayo njengamanje ngikhuluma nawe nje it's toxic kubi la ukhona kodwa ke on the socials it's kumnandi ku right into engifuna sikhulume ngayo noMama Maseko on the social media siphila manga siphila impilo asikhuluma iqiniso we are going through a lot we are not sharing the real core asikhulumi usisi njengamanje uyahlukumezeka but akakhulumi ngaleyo nto leyo usisi une blue eye kodwa kubangani uthi hayi uwile or ulimale engozini sifika kanjani ekuthenini siphila impilo yamanga kuma social media sigcine kuphuma idumbu
Angithi mfanele social media it can build also can destroy. We look ukuthi uMama Maseko uposteni ku social media and think ukuthi nami let me post ukuthi impilo yami right while you are hurting. So I problem lokuthi we compete with abanye abantu kanti if you can ungaphila impilo engeyakho don't compete ne relationship yomunye umuntu because remember uMama Maseko when I'm posting on social media I'm posting what I want people to see not posting the whole background your relationship with what is happening ngaphakathi endlini you can see me ngihamba la ngiposta ku social media while I'm bleeding inside because there's a lot that is happening ama emotional abuse phakathi ko relationship then wena you see me posting now you are posting kanti wena uyalimala kunabantu esingakhulumisana nabo like ama social workers aseyana akhona for day ukuthi akwazi ukuthi angenelele akwazi ukulungisa that part of relationship nase ubona ukuthi lana ngihleli endaweni engasasi right this is toxic when we talking toxic relationship la ubona khona ukuthi yonke into is about your partner not about you anymore you are losing yourself in that relationship you don't have to lose yourself in the relationship you have to be ujabulile Maseko ku relationship unga change anything about yourself if umuntu usakakutshela ukuthi hayi lempahla soyigqokile una uthi yaphuma akusiyo jika uyokhumula psychological that person is hurting you naso phuma sokugqokele enye impahla awusasi uwe you are lost you are a prisoner in that relationship you know we are saying relationships are not perfect mfanelo but you can see nasingasebenzeni nase bakutshela ukuthi landlini asabafuna abangani bakho landlini angisabafuna abantu bakhayikini la uzophuma nakusho mina umuntu akutshela ukuthi ungasaqhubeki nesikolo so again a problem esiba nayo ukuthi sihlale kuma toxic relationship mfanelo is because of poverty unemployment iyo ebulala kakhulu ukuthi ngizoyibhadala ngane rent ngizophila kanjani then uzobekezelela nalento oyibonayo ukuthi akusiyo then kose always upost umuntu wakho and uposta amanga because it's about him kunegama engivama ukubiza ngalo abantu abafuna impilo iba about bona ama narcissist uthola ukuthi umuntu ufuna ukuthi upraise yena always then sikose lokumpostile ngapha yena akulimaza what about you if uzibona lapha ekhaya uhleli ku relationship efana nalena don't die alone sikhona
kuyaphumeka yini ku toxic relationship because isikhathi esiningi sibona amabhokisi kuyangcwatshwa kuculwa ingoma zokuvalelisa abantu kuculwa amagugu kungaba owesilisa ubulale owesimame kwayibulala naye kungaba ukuthi owesifazana utholakala ebulewe umsolwa owesilisa ingane seyisala asena baba ibuye futhi ize ayinamama ibuye futhi indaba ize kini njengama social worker kufanele ningenelele izingane zihanjiswe ema home senza njani kahle ukwelapha ama toxic relationship once yaqala yabasawa siyelapha kanjani
once yaqala yabasawa communicate nomuntu wakho ukhulume ukuthi indoda 1 2 3 angithandi but if umuntu wakho angachange mfanelo that means you have to think about yourself prioritize the person that you see in the mirror every day it's all about you your happiness your mental health is first than ukuthi ujabulise omunye umuntu wena ungajabulanga so you need to think ukuthi yini into eyenza wena ukuthi ube happy and educate the other person if angakhona ukukulalela just run away for your life for impilo yabantwana bakho because sometimes you are sitting or staying and say ngihlalele abantwana bami kanti you are destroying abantwana bakho psychologically. That's why we have abantwana abaningi ababhema inyawo phela ngaphandle. It's because they are hurting, they are trying to show ukuthi there is something that is not right at home.
Uzothola omunye umuntu mina ke ngendlela okwenzeka ngakhona ngiyakwazi mina ngiyazikhona nginezinto zami wena angibona ukuthi ungangisiza kuphi umuntu onjalo wenze njani uyakwazi ukumhlalisa phansi ukuthi kusasa mase sikukhumbuza ukuthi lezi zinto wawuthi unazo asekho wena owusichomela shintsha ndoda shintsha sisi sibe lapha kanjani abantu abathwele abantu abayikhukhumeza
Kuyenzeka mfanele nawe ubona ukuthi vele impilo yakhe ihamba kahle uzibona ukuthi yonke into yakho isharp uzigukumeze but sometimes impilo iyakuletha phasi ngathi bathi nenyoni ndizinto eziphinde ibuye phasi naso uphasi accept the situation ukuthi now sekuchangile now I have to change ngiphile at the present moment like now like uphile ubu now you need to change your thinking you need to restructure your thoughts and live in the moment ukuthi yes I was like this but impilo yami seyichangeile to this stage then I have to change and accept it
indaba zabantu ababili ayingenwa kodwa masenixabana manilwa yithi obumakhelwana bezwayo naku besisendaweni yaseKanana ubhuti ubulele abantu abathathu wabulala nomuntu abethandana naye seyithinta wonke umuntu singena kanjani indabeni zabantu ukuthi sithi hey kahleni phela siyakhuza or siyabuka
une report kuma authorities nakuma social worker because naku bazobulalana abantu but wena ukhona ngumakhelwana uloku uyashutha la uyashutha uthumelela abanye abantu uhlekisa ngale ndaba while bonga isave the purpose ukuthi like ubiza abantu abafanele like social workers to intervene into neziso now uyibona I think you know kule ndaba yaseKanana abantu abaningi bebabona ukuthi what is happening like ngibone video ukuthi ubhuti bekakhuluma online ukuthi he is suffering but I'm not sure mfanele ukuthi what is happening with our society or our community because we always talk here ukuthi there is help out there we are here as social workers if ubona ukuthi relationship yakho seyichangeile ithatha u-turn come to us so that we can avoid the situation yaseKanana and abantu bebayibona ukuthi ubhuti lo uyakhala udinga uhelp that's why we are here sikhuluma lana thatha that information and give it to someone else ombonayo ukuthi uyayidinga this information fanele so we are hiding information or we are saying this information is not for us because of gender based violence ayikasithinti it doesn't mean if ikamakhelwane ayithinti wena izokuthinta eventually izokuthinta because if labo makhelwane balwa labantwana bakhona nabo bazoba something else they will bully others out there and maybe they will bully umntwana okungowakho la next door just because when you failed what akusi eyakho let me just record and send it to the social media ba trend
okunye ke abantu ngabe siphila impilo enjani ngoba mawungathi uyabheka ukwenza example may his soul rest in peace nabo bonke abanye ku social media ngiyaqhamuka as a counselor as a person okwazi ukusiza abantu and as a person okwazi ukuthi axoxe ngeenkinga ezikhona zabantu bese siyakulandela sithanda content and we think it's content kanti le content kune passion khona la isuka khona sikwazi ukubona kanjani sabantu or sithi as long as nami ngilapha ukuthi wena udlule kuphi ku right
angithi mfanele that's why we have abantu abafana nani abakwazi ukuthi ba interview like mina ukuthi isuka phi lento ukuthi uqale uthi gender based violence isuka ekutheni sindlule ezimeni ezifana nazo lezi sazibona ukuthi izinto ezisoziyenzeka it can be not direct kimi ne it can be next to me like family member I can see bahlukunyezwa ngibona ukuthi lena kunomuntu out there naye ogo through this situation esingamhelpa and kunabantu abakhulumayo straight kanti bakhuluma lento yenzeka kibo so if you are commenting in that post tshela loyo muntu ukuthi bakhona boyana out there inamba zabo yilezi akhona ama social worker ema police station akhona ama social worker aka DSD maningi ama social worker out there then they can get help ukhona no Sadah banengi la like ukuthi ungazibulali baningi abantu la ngaphandle bakhuluma nge-mental health ukuthi how can you help yourself in this situation uthola ukuthi your partner is cheating and you cannot accept it. But remember, if your partner is cheating, it's his or her own choice. When you choose yourself in that situation.
Inamandla. Yasazi ukuthi yeah. Okay, there we are. Bakwethu uhlelo You Are Not Alone. Umama Maseko ke somnika ithuba akwazi ukuthi asinikeze ukuthi ngabe batholakala kuphi bangobani nayo yonke leyo mniningwane. Sibonga ukuthi ke wena ukwazi ukuthi uhlale nathi la kwithembisa online. You Are Not Alone. Mama Maseko socela ukuthi nje manje ke usichazele ukuthi nina ningobani nisiza abantu abanjani nemniningwane yenu ihamba kanjani.
Thank you so much Thembisa Online. Thank you so much Babukele Makhaya. Igama lami uJabulile Maseko from You Are Not Alone. Sitholakala Northern Park Police Station, Sebenza Police Station, Edenville Police Station. Also siyatholakala eThembisa eMahawukeng Extension for our free services of gender-based violence and mental health. So please don't die alone. While sikhona lana singama social workers, we are qualified, professional, and our services are confidential, which means angeke siyishare indaba yakho, ngeke utholakala indaba yakho seyiphumela ngaphandle iyotshelwa abomakhelwane. It's all about you. It's all about your healing. So don't die alone. We have so much suicide cases around Thembisa. Siyatholakala also at Mpumalanga Mayflower Police Station. So please, our cases is now where gender-based violence and femicide. We need to do this together. Go to stop. So don't die alone. Don't kill yourself because you cannot talk to us. You cannot talk to anyone. We are here for free.
Uzwila ngithi kuzwakele kuleyo relationship yakho toxic kusengaphumeka kunama social worker angakusiza. Musu kusaba ukuphuma uyofuna usizo ngoba impilo is very short. Igama lami ngingumfanele uPhenyibheshu ngingwakwadzani besibonga sibonga kakhulu kubona ke abakwa Yana. You Are Not Alone ilona hlelo esikulethela lona ukuze ke sikwazi ukungenelela einkingeni ezikhona emphakathini esiwakhele. Thembisa, Kempton Park, Ivory Park, Rabe Ridge, Clayville nendawo ezungezile la nje usuku khona ko Ivory yonke indawo. Uyakwazi ukuthi wena usizakale njengoba ke umama Maseko esinikezele imininingwane yonke ukuthi ngabe ke ihamba kanjani. Nami ke angihambi ngedwa uhlelo lolu esihlanganiselwe sasedidiyelwa uyena ubanele uBrazo Sondlo wafaka kanjalo namagama ama graphics encediswa ke noma esizwa uyena ke usihle wakwangweni. Siyabonga ke ukuthi ke nawe ukwazile ukuthatha isikhathi bese ke uhlanganyela kanye nathi.